in this video, I'm gonna review my top 5 favorite lipsticks from top to bottom. So yes, let's get started. Alright, so the first lipstick is
from My Glam. It is the Lit 2-in-1 Liquid Matte Lipstick. I got this in the shade Alpha Female. I fell in love instantly with this lipstick. I mean, just look at the packaging. It is so cute and there are two lipsticks under a single cap. It is so attractive. It consists of a Barbie pink and a ruby red shade. This is my all-time favorite red lipstick. It is highly pigmented. It is very pure and intense. On application, it gives a perfect matte finish. It is smudge proof, transfer proof, waterproof and has the moisturizing formula. It keeps your lips really hydrated. It has a very soft and smooth texture that makes it so easy to apply. Talking about the resilience, the brand claims to last up to 12 hours, and from my personal experience, I totally fell in love with this product. It has really exceeded my expectations. It lasts longer than 12 hours and yes, it's a check to me. This lipstick is really amazing. And you don't need no touch-up, girls. It's so long lasting, it's so pretty. You don't even have to take care about what you're eating or what you're drinking. You know, it will take care of itself. The color pink, it is very bright, poppy and a really playful color. It is truly a statement color. Now coming to the most important part, how much does it cost? The MRP of this duo lipstick is rupees 545.
Oh my god! Wow!
545 rupees for two lipsticks is absolutely worth the money, and all the products from My Glam are 100% vegan and cruelty free, which is a super plus point. Now rolling on to the second product. I am literally a sucker for red lipsticks, and my next top favorite is the NYX Professional Makeup lipstick in the shade Eden. It is a medium dark color, more of like a pinky red with cool undertones and has a semi-matte finish. It is richly pigmented and has a slightly creamy texture. It's hydrating, so yes, that's a plus point. Only con about this lipstick is that it's not so long lasting. It lasts only around 3 to 4 hours. Short lasting lipsticks are also equally essential in your makeup bag, because you know, like when you're going out for a very short period or you are getting ready for your Instagram pictures, you are all sorted with choosing your lipsticks. Cost of this lipstick is rupees 625, and from my personal experience, my humble request, go for it and you won't regret. Now moving on to the third one, it is the Flormar Super Shine lipstick in the shade Elegant Beige. It has a very creamy texture, it's so easy to apply and adds an extra shine to your lips. It is a perfect nude lipstick. The MRP of this lipstick is rupees 250.
Wait a minute!
And the quality of this lipstick when compared to any other high-end brand is at par with that product. So what I learned after buying this lipstick is that not all the expensive products or those with a high market value provide quality. So never fall for the brands or the price that you pay. You can find this brand at any Reliance Trends store and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now coming to the last products, they are again from My Glam. It is the Lit Satin Matte Lipstick, and I have got two different shades from the same variant. So the first one is the Kissing Booth, which is a very bright pink shade. It's going to lift up your mood instantly. The texture is sublimely smooth and it is somewhere between matte and a cream finish. It has a very intense color, it is lightweight and very comfortable on the lips. The cost of this lipstick is for rupees 495, and believe me, it is worth the money. The second one is in the shade Queen of South. It is a dusty pink shade. It is very lightweight, very smooth, very intense. I love this lipstick so much, and you can see this is how it looks. It is very beautiful. I'm literally running out of compliments. This is truly my favorite lipstick. This is really my go-to lipstick, and also I'm wearing that right now. I really love this brand My Glam because it provides really good offers. So you guys can definitely check this brand out if you haven't yet. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this.
So yes, that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And the links mentioned in the description box below of all the products. I'm talking about the Flormar. You can find this brand at any Reliance Trends store and you're definitely going to love it. Do let me know in the comments which is your favorite lipstick from 1